It's stuck. Wait. I can't feel my
Drain it back down.
Okay, so this is the experimentation. The ginormous straws we bought at Fry's. Is it leaking still?
Uh-huh. You try.
You ready?
Try yours.
I'm a professional.
Careful, you're by all my hair stuff.
Okay. Choke on it.
Giggity. We should have done this outside.
I think this is gonna become a new thing.
Oh
I'll
yeah.
go to the movie theaters like this.
I spilled all over my pants.
It looks like I beat my parents.
Oh my gosh.
I'm getting spilled
We should
all-
try to connect all of them.
Oh my god, hand me it.
Here.
I wonder
Oh
if
my
it's
god.
over.
Here, I'll hold it in here and you go across the room and stretch it out.
Okay, 1 second, let me. Let me get it all over the shirt.
It's okay. It was Sarah's.
Okay. Sarah, who?
Sarah, the one that used to be my best friend last year.
Oh, skank.
Stop it. This might be on the internet.
Alright.
Oh my god, it's heavy. All the soda's gone out of the cup. Come on, it's on the floor. It's leaking. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Okay, draining back into the cup. Are you gonna drink it all? Are we putting it back?
I'm trying to drink what I have.
It's the whole cup. Oh my god.
This is ridiculous. Oh, this is so retarded.
Your turn.
This is so retarded.
Wait, one has to be in a soda. One of them.
Here, I'll hold it. You.
Don't let it fall off the
I would.
Oh my gosh, careful. It's
I've got
tilting. This is a really dangerous spot for this. Okay, ready?
Watch the little tube things fall apart. Go sit down. It's easier if you sit down and lift it up. Such a waste of deck.
I can't do it. Hold on.
Suck it up. Get it? Suck it up because you're sucking.
Put it back in the cup. Put it back in the
I
cup.
can't.
Put the recorder down. Hold on, I have to get up. There's more. There's more. Shay. Like a water slide. Oh my god, I need to get a mop. Something. We should have tested it with water first.
Okay. What did you